What'd you just call me?
Yes, Daddy.
So we found the air cleaner. It was like up in the attic.
Yeah.
Mercury 351. So we'll take pictures of everything, then we'll get
I'll
the
get
right.
the right decals because there's decals on the.
Yeah, there's a
auto light
somewhere.
sticker
Yeah,
somewhere.
on the other side.
Right here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, right there. And this goes.
Yeah, it looks about right.
Yeah, right like that.
Oh, yeah.
Sexy.
And we'll get a new filter.
Yeah, definitely. So Xander's gonna clean this up, get all this kind of
Take pictures and
cleaned up, roughed up. There's a little rust up there. Take pictures, and then he's gonna shoot it the proper blue, which is correct. That one's just old, faded, and through the heat. And then that'll help him too when he's making his fuel line.
for clearance and
Help him
everything.
figure out where he's got to go with clearance. What's your clearance, Clarence? What's your vector, Victor? What's that from?
I don't know. I'm not old.
Okay.
Hey, look, you got a haircut.
I know.
It doesn't look homeless anymore.
Ooh, when you do this, take the snorkel off so you can clean it nice.
Yeah.
That way it won't have like a shit paint underneath it.
Yeah, exactly. Well, yeah, I'll do that, and then you guys will see it from there.
Yeah. Let's get her done. All right, so first couple coats yesterday. Looks pretty good. We'll give it another thorough cleaning. A couple more coats, and it'll look really good. Now we got to get all the rest of the graphics and all the decals and all the fun stuff for it as well. But getting there. Definitely getting there. Xander will probably throw a coat on this later today or two. Clean it, paint it, prep it, make it nice. Lots of coats, lots of thin coats with good paint, and then it'll be done.